What she say? What she say? Smart. She mad as hell. Yeah, wake up. She said, why? We get on the highway up here. That wasn't me. The dude right here in his car, he gave us thumbs up. Josh on that 6R. He be moving. About to go pull up on a homie Vic on a R6. Today Dyno day. Pulling up with the mob. Yo, them gloves hard. I need them. Lit. Pulling up to the famous BP. Yeah, he got the stabilizer on there. That's really why he be extra cutting up. That baby clean. Gas up. Spent $100 on gas. Oh my god. I know they hate to ride next to me. Gangway.
Oh yeah, I got the same one on my helmet.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I was like, yo, no wonder you're more than DOD.
Check the drip.
What you thought I was like 20 or
Check
something?
the drip.
Her.
Y'all see it?
You look 19.
Her.
Let me go show
How
y'all
old do you
these
think
bikes.
she is?
I said 19.
19 is crazy. Vix R6 with the pista. I wonder which one she on. Josh over here. ZX6.
These fit the 2009 to 2024 ZX6Rs, but I ordered them for ZX10 just to see if they would fit on my bike or a friend's bike, but I've never actually seen a 2025. So.
It's this way. Oh, it does
Oh
fit.
yeah.
It fits the 2025.
Dyno hand grips. Ducati V4R. Big boys. Dirt bike in the cut. Air filter. Velocity stacks. Yep. More speed. I'll show you the chart at the end of this. Get in there.
It's a 22, not a 20. Nigga, they're the same bike. No, you.
They got another it's another.
Oh, the whole
actual
thing
part.
oily.
Yeah, there's oil on it.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, definitely, for sure.
You see this base plate?
Mhm.
They got another plate. They got adjustable screws.
Back in that mode. Yes, sir. 119, 120. On a jet.
This summer we get you right. All right,
Okay.
fire.
Facts. Yeah. Toot, toot.
Oh, I killed it.
No, I killed it.
How did you do that?
How the hell did you do that?
Oh, so it's not me. It's not me.
That is true. Get a thing you got a shot.
There's a button, and it just.
Oh, an auto boot for you? Hey, that's homework.
She's warm anyway. It's fucking degrees out here anyway.
Yeah, my ass must be hot as fuck. I should put my bike on a video in the back.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that's hard.
Oh, you a September baby.
Huh?
You a September baby.
Yeah, I am.
September 2nd.
I'm the second.
Hey,
Crazy.
homie right here.
Got the gold sticker in the cut.
What number is your bike run?
For sure, I got you.
Yeah, you gotta come back Monday Monday with me.
I will, for sure.
Yeah?
Hell yeah, hell yeah.
I'm gonna get mine to the next.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
What'd she say?
What she say? Smart. She mad as hell.
She mad?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, wake up. She said, why? She talking about some why. Why not? So you don't run me over. We get on the highway up here.
You said we get on the highway up here?
Uh-huh. 85. Oh God, I didn't mean to. I usually don't give it up that much. I didn't think I was doing it that hard. Oh God. We get off at exit 101. You said what? Nah, I'm only going 70. I ain't speeding. Oh, that bitch too fast. Exactly. Am I allowed to just hold my brake in and just shift down?
Yeah, you can.
I don't got a rev match.
Nah.
Okay. No, I got a rev match. Shorty was mad as hell. She's like, why your bike so loud? Why your car so quiet? And you sneaking up on niggas? He started shaking his head like, I said, that wasn't me. The dude right here in his car, he gave us thumbs up. Yeah, yeah. Exactly. He was ready to hit us with a piece. I shouldn't have hit him with it. I'm going to the front. Scene never really made. I'm him just like Kevin. That was me. I need to wash my bike at.